What's up, Pokemon fans? It's Daily Packs. I open a fresh Pokemon card pack each day and track the profit or loss pulls, prices, and everything in between. Hit follow.